This video is about the professional trading routine explained. Consistency in trading starts long before the actual trade is put on. People think it's about making fast decisions in trading. The market's moving up and down. You've got to buy, sell, put those trades on really quickly. But it's not. The reality is professionals' performance comes with preparation and expectancy of those moves. Most traders that I've helped over the years, they follow a similar pattern. They'll open a chart or they'll open an app. They'll look at the movers and the shakers of the day, anything that's uploads or downloads or the big names in the stock market. And then they'll react to that movement. Oh, it's going up. I should trade it. Buy it. It's going down. Oh, maybe I should sell it without even putting too much thought into it. They don't have any preparation, any routine, and it is emotional decision making. Chasing shiny balls, as we call it in the trade. It is reaction over preparation, or being reactive over proactive is another way we call it. Routine reduces emotional decisions, builds repeatability into your trading, creates that focus, and improves awareness. All vital things for success as a trader. Because that routine produces consistency. You've got an anchor, a foundation to give you that consistency, which consistency then builds that trust in your process as a trader, which is very important. And it's something I've had to curate over my many, many years. So I trust myself. I have an anchor that I go back to all the time. It's something that I write about. In fact, the preparation has got a whole section in my book, Learn to Trade Like a Professional. Professionals, what we do when we prepare, we look at the market as an overview, the world almost as an overview. Is there anything going on in the whole world that's so big that could affect the market or the asset that I'm trading at the time? These are a lot of kind of usually war or, we had the health COVID-19 incident, these big ticket events that can move any asset in a huge way. Then you dial it down for macro events, something like a rate meeting perhaps in one of the developing nations or developed nations even. UK, USA, Europe are the big ones, China, anything going on with monetary policy there. Key technical levels, they're super important, understanding the key, not loads of technical levels with your technical analysis, just key ones, where signals that the market is going to be strongly going in a direction or where is a reverse signal where the market may turn around. And then any events, fundamental events that may affect the asset price throughout the day to keep an eye on. Once you have those, often forms a shape of your plan, which is what you need to focus on that day, what you're going to look at that day, what do you want to trade? And then what needs to happen for you to put that trade on, okay? So what's in focus and then what needs to happen? Does a level need to be hit or does some information need to come out, for example? You'll find that out in your preparation phase. So then we've almost done the first two parts of your process, identify and execute. You've come up with those ideas. Once you've got the trades on, you know how you can then go into your management phase and you've thought about all these things that can affect my trade and where they could go. So you're onto that management phase. Okay, you've got that understanding, so you don't have to force trades, and that's the main thing. You don't have to move yourself into emotional trading. And then once it's you've executed and managed to trade successfully, then you go into the evaluation phase, which is super important. Review that behavior, journal everything that you can find out. How could you have made more? How could you have lost less? And above all, you win or learn, right? And you improve yourself for your next trade. Routine turns trading from emotional reaction, which is what I'm trying to help you with here as a mentor and coach, into professional execution, which is where you want to be and I want you to be as well. Hope you've enjoyed this video. For more, if you haven't done the foundation series already, it's linked in the description below. It's also in the channel as a full playlist. The book is released, Learn to Trade Like a Professional. available on Amazon now. I'll put a link for that in the description as well. That's it from me. I hope you've enjoyed this video and you've found a couple snippets that will help you with your trading on your journey. As always, Sam, teach the world to trade. See you on the other side.